So I have for you a wig today from the Wig Company. And the Wig Company has sent me some wigs, and this is one I'm going to share with you today. And it is from Statements, their line of statement wigs. And these are great wigs. They run under and just around $100. So very budget, affordable, friendly, and with lots of style. In some of my previous videos, in my very first one, I bought a statement wig, and it's in some other videos. If you look in the playlist on Let's Get Wiggy, and even some of my makeup videos, you'll see that wig there. So let's get to the one that they sent me today. And this one is called Impulsive, and it has an average cap, and it's a blonde, a platinum blonde with warm blonde lowlights, and it's the number F18101. So that's what we're trying on today from Statements. And I haven't taken the tags off yet. There's a tag there and a tag there. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go cut this tag. I'm back. So, and it's an important tag that you need to see when you get your wig in. That it's a tag that says, "Caution, you cannot return this item once the tag has been removed." Those are great things to know. Don't remove the tags, leave them on, try it, don't put any product on it, don't do anything to your wig until you're absolutely sure she's yours and has found a home. Otherwise, you still have the opportunity to send your wig back. What I like to do, because this has been in a box, and she is kind of shaggy and flippy, so basically I want to shake her out and just kind of waken up those fibers. Okay, let's take a look at it before I put it on my head. It has a basic cap with the velvet front here, which is so comfortable, and there is permatease in it because this is a full volume short wig, shaggy wig. It has the velvet ear tabs, very soft with metal stays, the extended tab. It has Velcro adjusters on it, and the open weft, which synthetic and open wefts are great for the summertime. So they're much cooler. All right, so let's get her on and see what I think. Again, its name is Impulse. Okay, so we're going to tame her down a little bit, and this is what happens when you get a wig in the mail, in the box. And so you just we're going to put it on, straighten up those ear tabs, and then I want to get a comb. So this, ladies, is for my full volume girls out there. You want something that's going to make a statement. You want something that's going to say va 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 voom. And I want you to see how this back, it really has a long tapered nape on it, and I really like that. I'm going to pull down some of these to look like the little sideburn areas. My sideburns are longer, so I'm not going to pull that down into this hair. I want to press those stays. That's what makes it just fit up nice and snug. And then I want to play with it. Oh, that's cute. And I want to get the bangs where I think it helps when the bangs aren't real heavy in the front. I'm going to comb this back. This is a great wig to use wig wax on. I'm just going to pull it back, majority of it here, and just make the bangs a bit lighter on the forehead. That way it doesn't bring the weight of the wig right here above your eyes. But she is cute. Look at this. So what I want to do is get this all flippy like that. This is really cute. I feel like I have a bit of Jane Fonda vibe going here. Who do you think I look like in this wig? I look like Mel B. That's who I look like, right? But look at this. Very cute. Very cute, blonde, shagging. This really, again, is one of those wigs that you're going to throw it on, you're going to finger style it, run a comb through it, and have this beautiful blonde wig. I want to show you something else. So if you want to, you can then make it look a little bit more tamed down. So instead of getting all that flippiness going on the back, which I kind of like it. I think it's fun. It makes it a little bit edging. See how you can just smooth these fibers down? And that might be more of what you're looking for. Wigs are versatile, and All of them are going to be stylable, and you're just going to make it your very own to be what you're used to. Remember, ladies, when you're putting on wigs and you're just starting out, you have to get used to having more hair. You have to get used to seeing yourself in the mirror, in the reflection of the windows that you walk past. And before you know it, you're going to look at them in the mirror and you're just going to like a person staring back at you. And that's what I hope in this wig journey, that all of y'all can get to that place. So this is just for maybe the lady that wants a little bit more traditional look. Maybe you don't like to have your ears exposed, then just pull that hair out and style it back over your ears. As you know, I think it looks a bit more modern and trendier to go back behind. It just gives you the angles. Then that's what we're looking for a lot of times in a wig. We're looking for those angles that define the wig. And because then those angles also help with the structure of your face. So depending on if you're round, oval, square face, triangular, heart shape, whatever you are, then find the wig that's going to, in the shape, that's going to fit those features. You can always, on these wigs, give it a little bit of style. Pull this over, put a cute pin in it, like that. Push it down that way. I love short hairstyles with headbands, especially blonde and silver. I always feel like this headband just gives it something. It just gives it the feel that it's more real than it is a wig. So maybe you have thinning hair like me, where you really have those balding areas and receding hairline. So getting a wig for those 60 plus ladies, I'm 66 this year. So, I feel the pain of you ladies that we're thinning our hair's thinning out and what to do. Because we still want to have the kind of hair like we had when we were younger, right? Yeah, this is a good way to do it. It's fun. It's flirting. Again, this is from Statements, and the name of this wig is Impulsive. So if you feel impulsive today, go to the Wig Company. I am going to put the link below and where you can get this at twc.com. And also the link to this wig, Impulsive, and you'll be able to see it comes in different colors, and you're just going to love the price. For great wigs, Statements are great wigs. I have a few more that I'll be coming to you with over the next week from the Wig Company. Stay tuned for that, and then I will see you in the next video. Doing my darlings. Bye.